In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up PayPal Standard in WP Travel Engine for 2025. Whether you're new to WordPress or just need a guide to make sure you're doing everything correctly, this tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring clarity and ease. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the settings and configurations happen. To do this, open your favorite web browser and go to yourdomain.com.wp admin. Enter your login credentials, and you'll find yourself at the WordPress administration area, which is the control center for your website. Next, navigate to the WP Travel Engine settings. This is where you'll be doing most of your work today. You'll want to click through to WP Travel Engine, then into Settings, and finally find the Payment section. Here you can access all the payment-related settings, which is exactly where you need to be in order to set up PayPal. Now let's focus on enabling PayPal Standard. Scroll through the payment options until you see the toggle for PayPal Standard. Make sure this is turned on. This allows your website to process payments through PayPal, which is crucial for seamless transactions. Once PayPal Standard is enabled, it's important to enter your PayPal email. This is the email that is linked to your PayPal account and will be used for all transactions. You'll find a field labeled PayPal email, so go ahead and enter your PayPal business email address there. Make sure this is correct to prevent any issues with receiving payments. Continuing on, you'll need to choose the mode. This gives you the option to select either Sandbox, which is great for testing purposes without making real transactions, or Live for actual real-time payments. For those just starting out, we recommend using the Sandbox mode to ensure everything is working correctly before going live. After selecting the appropriate mode, it's essential to save your changes. You'll find a Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Be sure to click this to confirm everything you've just set up, otherwise all your work will be lost. Double check that you've saved these settings as it ensures the PayPal integration is active. Finally, test your setup by booking a trip on your site. Go through the booking process as a customer would, and when you choose PayPal as the payment option, confirm that you are redirected to the PayPal checkout page. This is the final step to ensure that everything is configured properly and ready for your customers. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up PayPal Standard on WP Travel Engine. Remember, setting up consistent testing and rechecking your settings can save a lot of trouble down the road. Thanks for watching, and happy booking!